Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. You have enough things? You think you can carry any of them follow you when you're dead? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people fear gotta talk to them in the Jamaican language, do. Click the like button now and drop one comment below and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 13 to verse 21. Somebody in the crowd said to Jesus, "Teacher, tell me brother to share the dead left with me now." Jesus answer say, "Man, who give me the right to settle argument and share dead left between the two of you?" Then he tell them say, "Watch out. Una fi guard against all kind of ready eye. Cause life not just about how much sitting we own." And Jesus tell them that story. One rich man did have one farm where bear a whole heap of food. So the rich man said to himself, say, "What me fi do? Me not have no place for keep all of them sitting here." Then he say, "Me know what me go do. Me go tear down my storehouse them and build some bigger one. And me go keep me grain and all where me own in a them. And me go say to myself, Master, you are one lucky man. You have enough sitting and them go last you for one long, long time. Take life easy, yam, drink, and make merry." But God tell him, say, "You fool, tonight, you are going dead. Who I go get where you put up for yourself?" This I want to anybody who save up for themselves, they sitting them where they on earth. But no rich in the sit them where God care about. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.